Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Forza Horizon error code FH302. This error comes when players launch the game. The error reads, "We have detected the following hardware issues. Unable to detect graphics driver version. You can continue but may experience suboptimal performance or instability." Click on the More Information link below to view details on error codes and learn more about the game's requirements. As per the users, if they ignore the warning, the game will launch fine but later will crash on the loading screen or other point. As per our research, the error is related to any issues with the graphic drivers. Now let's come to fixes. In our research, there were many players who were getting this error because of outdated drivers. So to deal with the issue, the first thing you need to do is to check and make sure that all the drivers are up to date. If not, then update them and check for the error. If you have done any clean install, then make sure you re-downloaded the right driver. During our research, there was a user who wrongly installed the AMD Radeon Pro drivers, which caused this error, but later he uninstalled the AMD Radeon Pro drivers and installed the game-ready drivers, which fixed this issue. The next solution is for those who have dedicated graphics for their CPU. You need to turn off the dedicated graphics in BIOS and see if this resolves the issue. That's all we have for this error. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. It really supports us. For more tech updates, visit queries.com.